Hey everyone, welcome to Dubventures, welcome to another video, and welcome to our campervan. We're going well camping. We're going meeting some friends, and we've had a delivery that's going to make this camping trip so much different to the one that we did when we did the Scotland road trip when we went to Northumberland as well. So excited, let's get on the road and I'll tell you more about it. Thor's excited as well, let's do it! Hi. Brooke's been shopping.
I'll buy you some kitchen roll.
Yeah.
Some tough towels.
Cool. Do you want to tell everyone what we're having for tea tonight? We've just made this decision when we come shopping.
We occupied pizza, but with a bit of a difference because we didn't have any big large Yorkshire puds in there. So,
okay. Yorkshire pudding wraps. We can make
flatbread.
Do you know what? We're experimenting cooking tonight, so looking forward to that. Right, let's get on the road. Let's go meet up with our friends. Thor's excited to see one of his buddies, so he's barking like out crazy, so we'll let him out now before we park up. Right, so this is home for the night. Got Carol, John, Dexter, Thor's buddy. They've just been shouting at each other though because they've not seen each other for a while. Oh yeah, and there's Brooke. Brooke, they've seen you on the video. You went shopping and you bought the food, so John and Carol and Dexter's van. We'll get more footage of that after. I'm certain you've seen it on the channel before. Such a nice day. You camped here last night, didn't you?
Yeah, we stayed last night, yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's really good, yeah.
Very
so
quiet.
Peaceful and quiet, yeah.
Always is round here, isn't it? So, right, we're just going to get things set up and have a chat with these guys because I've not seen them for a while, and then we'll catch up with you then. Right, just been catching up with these guys. There's Dexter, loving van life. Oh, sorry. Apologies. There's Thor. There you go. Saying hello to all his fans. Right, there's quite a lot of flies, and just realised these guys have got their it's homemade, isn't it?
Yeah, it's homemade.
Did you make it?
Yeah.
This guy makes everything on his van. If you've seen his van tour on the video that I did before, this guy, I mean, he knows what he's doing, and he's just been advising me about like the kitchen unit, things like that. He thinks I can build it. He thinks I can build it. It's not happening. But yeah, he's got his bespoke mosquito fly net thing there. Now we've got one, it doesn't quite fit, but we are going to have to put it on.
Well, that's because I made it for the T5, so we need another one, another half.
There we go. Right, let's watch Brooke. But, ours doesn't quite reach the bottom.
With the lead weights? Yeah.
I was telling him that we lost ours.
So yeah, so we'll put the mosquito net up and the fly net. I'll just quickly show you the view that we've got here. Gonna go for a walk down there after, get some cooking done. Looking forward to the cooking. Looking good, Brooke. Doing a good job. It's better than nothing. It's better than nothing. We do need another one because, as Brooke said, it's been made to fit.
I'm gonna get another one and then put magnets down the middle.
Yeah.
So but it'll do for now.
Let me show you something that we have. So in one of the last videos, I'll just come in here. We have this here. What is it, Brooke?
It's a Duvalay mattress topper.
Yes, we're going to use that on the bed tonight, so we're going to show you because we've got a, what's the correct terminology? Mattress topper,
sleeping bag.
Sleeping bag. We'll show you that after, but we're really excited to use that. Right, we decided we're going to go up there. They're walking round. I'm going to take a bit of a shortcut. Yes, let's do this, let's do this. Right. Oh, yes. Flies everywhere again. Woo! What's that time of year? You are going this way, aren't you? Come on then. You know what? This is what van life is about. Being out and about, meeting up with your friends, relaxing, and seeing amazing views like this. Right, Brooke's making the bed. Because from the last trip that we did, we obviously washed it on everything and...
It smells amazing.
It's always chilling out. Now, John and Carol, Dexter, fast asleep in there, have just done the route that we're doing. What we're doing, the NE250.
Yeah.
I got it right. And they've just done that route, and we're doing that in a couple of days. And some of the tips that these guys are giving us, you're going to see some amazing sights because you were exploring and you found some interesting things. Not going to say what, you'll have to wait to them videos, but we've got the maps out and everything. Brooke's got the maps out. Brooke's organising it really. I'm just sitting here just chilling out.
When do you ever organise a trip?
Eh?
When do you ever organise?
I've just said that. I just said, like, you know, I'm not like doing it. You're like organising it, finding all the places. In fact, John did just say to me, "Oh, there's this place." Yeah, like, don't tell me, tell Brooke, because I'll just forget. You know what I mean? So that we're gonna chill out for a little bit now. Still nice and warm and sunny. Cooking. So you guys cooking tonight?
Yeah, we're gonna have some
Barbecue.
burgers. Yeah.
Barbecue. Yes, sounds good. We're making, as you've seen before, the pizza, however we do it, and barbecue sounds good as well. So let's see what these guys are making. What time is it, Brooke?
Food time.
It's food time.
So get cooking.
They're getting their food ready. I'm so excited to try this out tonight. We're going to show you our, what's it called?
Duvalay.
Yes. Right. What are you guys having?
Oh, we can have burgers.
Burgers?
Yeah, burgers.
Burgers. Right, we're having a pizza, so right, let's get everything out. John's just got his little mini folding table out. What did I say?
You want to compare your mini table?
I've got my mini folding table, so let's do it. What was that?
School boy ever.
So, just been having a conversation, and I said, I can't get my cooker to, you know, like fire up, and so we went through a process of different things,
Yeah.
like, you know, could it be this, could it be that, is the gas in, you know, and I'm just like,
You was adamant the gas was
I was adamant the gas was in, and schoolboy error, as John said, it's not actually clicked in, so let's try that. Right, we thought that it was something I was doing wrong. Now the gas is full, and it's still not firing up, so we're going to try another gas bottle and, you know, see if it was me or... Yeah, look at him, he's got his burgers going, you know what I mean? Right, we need another gas bottle. Let's try another one. We have cooker issues. Not to worry. This is what we're going to do. I got it going! Yes! Right, let's carry on.
and salad.
Is your cooker not working or something, John?
Yeah, it's on.
Yeah? Well, what's up?
Very low.
It's very low. Yeah. It's alright if you know, you run out of gas and that. You can use our cooker after if you want. So
Grab the cheese.
oh, cheese! Right, here we go. Here we go.
Don't drop it like you normally do.
Did you hear that? I don't know if you heard that, but Brooke said don't drop it. Right, here we go, Brooke. Here we go. There's your one. Right, now I've got to cook mine. How are your burgers coming on?
All right.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look.
New gas canister.
So we're playing a game of, like, you know, who's got what and everything, and I just said to him, you know, did you have a ridge monkey before you seen our videos and that? He's like, yeah, we've had quite a few. I was like, oh, okay. So then it was a case of, have you got a ridge monkey pan? Yeah, you got a ridge monkey pan. And then what did you say?
Have you got the Ridge Monkey kettle?
No, we haven't got the ridge monkey kettle, so it's something that we might have to have a look at. Wait, we've got to get the camera on, right? Like, this is a take two. Brooke, ask that question again.
Have you got the Ridge Monkey cutlery?
No.
No.
Have you got the ridge monkey plates?
No.
Oh, that's my food, bubbling away. 1 minute. Let's have a live update. Live update. Oh, that's my one that's cooking.
What's the price of the plates and forks and that?
Do you see what mine looks like?
Sure she
No,
knows.
there's some crispy cheese. Brooke loves crispy cheese, so right, let's bit of crispy cheese. How's your pizza, Brooke?
Yeah?
Like it?
Well, it'd be better if it wasn't burnt underneath.
I don't know what you're talking about. Don't know what you're talking about. Right, let's get mine on. Had food, we've got a midge issue. It's getting to that time of night where, do you know what? We've stayed here a few times. I feel like that's like some film or something that I'm watching. Imagine you was like crawling out the bushes with that on, you'd be like, what?
It's a Scottish headdress.
A Scottish what?
Headdress to keep the midges away.
No, we've got a bit of a midge issue, so we're just clearing up, and then I think we might be talking through the midge next for a little bit, so. Right, we decided we're just going to come and chill out for a little bit because the midges are obviously still in here, but they're loads of them. I don't know where they've come from. They've never had midges here before.
Bite marks.
I know, it's crazy. Right, what we're going to do now is, we told you before that we've got our mattress topper. We're going to put the bed in the chilling in a bed position. So, as you can see, we've got the mattress topper bit there, and it's got the duvet bit as well. That is an ideal size. That is exactly what we needed from Duvalay. Right, let's. Oh, that is so comfy.
You cover over.
Oh, do you know what? It's cozy and comfy, and it's this size that we needed. It's just ideal for what we want. Do you know what? I'll let you know in the morning, because I think I'm going to be sleeping here tonight, aren't I, Brooke? Is that
yeah, because I was on a night shift last night, so it means I'm going to fall asleep early, so Tom's going to still be up watching TV.
Watching TV and that, so I'll let you know in the morning. Morning. Well, what can I say about this Duvalay? Well, what can you say about the Duvalay, Brooke? What did you say last night? Let me just sit on it and...
I fell asleep.
Yeah, Brooke fell asleep, so... But I actually slept on this last night, and you know what? Yes. This solves a lot of issues. So comfy. We recommend these. Right, gonna get it put away, have some breakfast, and then we're going on a big walk, aren't we?
Yep.
So, as you can see, we're going exploring. We're going to spend the day exploring, going somewhere different that we've not been before. Really hope you've enjoyed today's video. It's been really good getting out and about, just doing a one-night wild camp. Because in a few days, we're going to the northeast of Scotland, and you know, we're doing a couple of weeks up there, so we're really excited about that. That Duvalay mattress topper, if you're looking for something that is going to help, like, especially if you've got an RIB bed, it really is highly recommended. Honestly, really comfortable, really warm, really recommend them. It's a really good fit as well, so if you haven't subscribed already, please do consider hitting that subscribe button. Until the next video, guys, thank you for watching. Bye for now.